Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. This is the enhanced community quarantine day 9. I am taking a walk to a different supermarket that's up this way and is within my barangay or my area. So some changes in the last couple of days. Now in any area that is under an enhanced community quarantine, you are required to wear a mask. If you don't wear a mask and you get caught, I believe it's a 20,000 peso fine, up to a 20,000 peso fine. So, unlike in the States, they're pretty serious about that here. This road here is usually bumper to bumper traffic, but as you can see, traffic is moving pretty well. Most things are still closed, except over there, the laundromat, the soft wash, is still open. Since my last video, I'll show you guys, I got my pass, my home quarantine pass. That allows me to go out and get shopping done, go to the bank, go to the laundromat, pharmacy, anything that is deemed essential. The only thing is I have to remain within my barangay or area of town. I can go to a neighboring barangay, but I'm not going to risk that. So, the city is coming out with their own pass that will be accessible on a smartphone. So that'll be coming out soon. So once that comes out for the Apple iPhone, then I will use that instead of the paper pass. And then I can go walk anywhere in the city I want, as long as I'm walking with a purpose, which today I am. These are normally fruit stands across the way. Some of them are open. That's cool. That's good to know. Oops. So I could get some fruit there. Part of me going out today is for me, just to see what's open, what's closed. Yeah, so you're supposed to have a pass. With the pass, you can go out any day you want between 5 a.m. and 8 p.m. as long as you're, going out for that essential purpose. Now, in some places like down in Negros Oriental and Dumaguete, they have similar passes, but they only allow you to go out for 2 days a week and only for a couple of hours each day. So some of the provinces and cities, they're a little bit more limited than here in Cebu. So like a buddy of mine in Dumaguete, he can go out on Tuesdays and Fridays, like Tuesdays in the morning and then Fridays in the afternoon. The problem is, like with this week, this Friday is Good Friday, so a lot of things are going to be closed. So he won't be able to go out shopping. So essentially, he only has 1 day to shop this week. So that's his issue. So he'll probably go out tomorrow, I'm guessing. It's Friday. Even the malls are closed, which is really odd. I mean, I've been here quite a while, but malls in the Philippines, they don't close for Christmas. But like in the States, most everything is closed on Christmas. But on Easter, I don't remember if things were closed in the States on Easter, but here the malls are closed, not on Easter Day, but on the Thursday and Friday before. Thursday is Maundy Thursday, and Friday is Good Friday. I'm not a Catholic, so I don't know what happens during those days, but maybe somebody in the comment section could tell me. Why are those days the most important days of the Holy Week? Big problem for the Philippines, Holy Week. That's a big tourism week. You get a lot of foreigners that come to Boracay, Bohol, Cebu. Tourism is dead. Tourism is dead. So, busiest time of year. Nobody's making any money. Millions of people are out of work. Just like with the rest of the world, unfortunately, the Philippines is going to be suffering over the next few months and probably years. So it's going to take a long time to get that tourism back. If it comes back, I don't know that it will. I've been pretty fortunate. For my income, I do teach online, so that has been busier than ever. So that might slow down at some point, but as of right now, since January, it's been going pretty good. So I hope that continues. As an American, I'll be receiving one of those stimulus checks, I think this week or next week. I still do file my taxes, so even though I live overseas, I'm still entitled to that check. So the $1,200 will come in handy. That will go into some savings. So yeah, as you can see, it's still kind of busy out there. Not too bad. One person per household can go out, so that's the deal. Usually the sidewalk would be full of people, the roads would be bumper to bumper. So what else? Anything else? Oh, up in Manila, their enhanced community quarantine is set to expire, I think next week, a week from today. But the rumor is they're going to expand it by another 2 weeks. They think that the quarantine is helping flatten the curve, as they say. So, do it. I think the 13th of April would be too soon to try to get things to go back to normal. But the end of the month, who knows? Maybe it will be. Here in Cebu, the number of cases have gone down. So, maybe in a couple weeks, at least in this part of the Philippines, the coast might be clear. So maybe we can resume some sort of normalcy. But I'm not counting on it. Alright, so for now, that's all for now. That's all the updates I have. So, again, I appreciate my subscribers. I'm almost up to 600. Last time I checked, I was at 594, which is really great. So I appreciate you guys. Even if you don't subscribe, you're just viewing this, I appreciate you. Please subscribe, please like the video, and I will see you guys again soon. So this is Jason from Asia Unscripted. Have a great day.